Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to ask questions in Quora. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to Quora.com, and after you create your account, what you're going to have to do is simply click on this button here where it says ask what do you want to ask or share, and then here as you can see you're going to have this option to add question. So simply start, as you can start your question with what, how and why. And basically after that what you're gonna have to do is simply choose here public and then simply click on add question, and basically that's all you have to do. Of course, as you can see, this question needs more details, so you're gonna have to ask a proper question. And after that, as you can see, you can even find different suggestions. So maybe this question has been asked in the past, and you can find the answers to it. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.